Hi guys, I'm Maria from Mary's World, and today I brought you to little whales that come from my pattern that you can have in the link in the description if you want to go there. And this one has some cute crustaceans on it, and this one I made a heart. There I can teach you how to customize your own whale and do whatever you want with this. I will teach you how to do the top part and then the belly. And in this tutorial I will teach you how to put these two pieces together without, you can see, no knots or something, and to make you really perfect. So let's begin. So if you like this tutorial, if it helped you somehow, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you need any help at all, if you have some ideas for new tutorials, I will try to do my best to help you. So write in the comment section and I will promise to get back to you as soon as possible. So bye!